My name is Blessing and I'm from Ghana. Uh, I have taken a lot of courses pertaining to Forex. And to be frank, at a point in time, I made a conclusion that Forex was gambling because anytime you predict that the thing is going up, it goes down. Anytime you predict it's going down, it goes up. So I thought this thing is just gambling until I met Forex for Beginners family. Seriously, they have shown me a whole lot of things. They've made me realize that Forex is not gambling. It's only gambling when you don't know what you are about. It is only gambling when you don't know what you are about. But once you know what you are about, it's no gambling anymore. And thank you very much. And big ups for Forest for Regina's family. Big ups, big ups. Thank you. And continue your good work to humanity. Thank you.